So let's have a conversation. Let's have a conversation about the crime rate in East Baton Rouge Parish. Let's have a conversation about what I feel is just part of the solution. When you first enter Baton Rouge, one of the things you'll notice off top is the fact that we have a lot of rundown buildings. We have a lot of blighted properties in the area, extremely tall grass, and we also have an extremely high crime rate. One of my solutions to the problem is, like I say, I'm here to serve. And I feel like if I can get out and just do my part, giving people a place to go to see that they can be proud of and say, hey, this is where I live. We deal with so much foolishness here, especially in our younger adults with the violence. Every day you hear about it. Someone getting killed over an argument, shootings on the interstate. We just got to give people a place that they're proud of to come to, grow up, live, be a productive part of the community. My job as a lawn care and landscaping owner, business owner, is to get out there and do my part. And that's by servicing the community, by getting rid of a lot of the blighted properties that you see in so many neighborhoods around East Baton Rouge Parish. It really hurts my heart to see all the things that are going on, from the education levels that we have here, like I say, to the crime rate. And again, I feel like if we just reach out and do our part in our business, that we can solve a lot of the issues that are facing us here today and moving forward. We got to give people a place to come to where they're proud of. And I feel like that's my job and that's my journey. So let's go. Once again, we out here this morning at Rouge Casino, taking advantage of this business conference that they're having out here. Free information for all those who are small businesses and entrepreneurs out there trying to get involved with the state of Louisiana, city of Baton Rouge, get involved in some of these contracts. This is the 18th annual business conference. This is my first time attending, so we're gonna get in here and check it out, see if we can take advantage of some of the opportunities, right? A lot of times we want to complain about there's not opportunities in certain communities and not an option for us to move forward and to level up your business. Let's see how true that is. We're going to get in here as a fairly new business and see what kind of networking we can do and what kind of opportunities will present itself by just being available and ready for the opportunities. So we may be able to shoot some video inside, not quite sure. We're going to see how that goes, but just look forward to some good information, if anything, from this video so we can find out what we need to do to get right. So let's go. Well, we official. We got registered, got our little name tag, and now we're just ready for the events to kick off. We got a little time to waste before the actual conference starts. Got a couple hours here, so we're gonna, see if we can network a little bit, meet some people. Already seeing some familiar faces, which is crazy. People I didn't expect to see. So let's go ahead and see what this conference brings to us. Well, we got that one knocked out. Probably gonna come back tomorrow night, check out the rest of the information that we found out. But this is definitely an opportunity for anybody looking to start a business, got a business, and looking to get involved with state contracts and, make a little money. Come sit at the table with the big dogs and get it done. make life a whole lot easier. Yeah, it's a process. It's some work you got to go through, but guess what? They got people here. They got people here that want to help you and look out for you. Make sure you get in the right situation. So it's always about who you know and not what you know. 9 times out of 10, that person that you know can tell you what you need to know. So it's all about the people. So get out there, network, make it happen, and we'll report back, let y'all know how everything turned out after a while. In the building.
Our shared goals. Throughout the day, I encourage you to take full advantage of the opportunities to connect, network, and explore potential partnerships. That's what it's all about. Dedicated resource, all for the entire building. Whether you're a seasoned vendor or a new face in our community, this event is designed to facilitate meaningful interactions and foster collaboration.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you to all of the organizers. I think in preparing has been my lifelong commitment to public service, working with mayors across not just this state, but across the 4 states that I work with the SBA. In preparing for this, it's monitoring city council meetings that we do very often. I work with the members of the council and both of our current and our previous mayor initiatives and studying the budget. Chief among those things is how to build a very small business economy here in East Baton Rouge Parish. That requires working with 2 specific entities. Number 1, employee BR, make sure that they are not as compliance driven, but make sure that they're more service driven. And the other entity is with the Baton Rouge Area Chamber. Visionary leadership, and one of the things that I think we should start working towards is our own either an economic development professional in the mayor's office or an economic development team. Now that will require us to look at our upcoming budget and different challenges that we face, but that is, chief among one of the reasons that I'm running and one of the things that we're going to look into once we are sworn in next year. Thank you.
What's business, guys? Sometimes you got to get out of your comfort zone, right? Get out here and check some things out. Today we out here about to do some matchmaking events to see if we can get involved with the city and the state. Got one with BREC, and we also got one with BSAF. So yeah, sometimes you got to get a little bit uncomfortable, get out of your little comfort zone and stretch out and see what happens. This is a way that we can get out here and, make some money during the off season. These are year-round contracts, so ain't nothing better than this. Let's see what happens. Let's go. One of the key things that I have learned from this experience is making sure that you have a game plan when you go to these events. Making sure you have yourself set a goal of meeting at least 3 people that can change your business. Day 2 of our government contract challenge. We're gonna be out here today at the Goodwood Library, checking some things out, seeing if we can make some more connections, make some more relationships that we didn't have before we got here, so we can secure these government contracts. Let's go. I'm here to tell you, if you stay persistent and consistent, there's so much more on the other side of this journey. Let's go.